Yes, good morning friends. Today I am going to discuss important questions on the relation and functions, especially for the 2020-22 for the annual examination. In this year, ಈ ವರ್ಷ especially this relation and function is preferred for 1 marks question 2 ಇರ್ತವೆ, 2 marks question 1, 3 marks question 1 and 5 marks question 2. Totally 17 marks is preferred. Be careful. Easy lesson ಇದೆ and ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಫುಲ್ ಡೀಪಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆದರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎನ್ ಟೋಟಲಿ 17 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ನಾವು 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸು 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಐ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್. ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಈ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಟರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಮಾಡಲ್ ಪೇಪರು ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ನ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಗಿವ್ ಆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್. ಓಕೆನಾ. ನಾವು ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ one set A, that is an 1, 2. Then I will define the relation R 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1. This is a relation. It is not a reflexive. Why it is not a reflexive? 1, 1 is there, but 2, 2 it is not there. Hence it is not a reflexive. Is it a symmetric? Yes. 1, 2, 2, 1. Then symmetric means 1, 2, 2, 1. It is there. 1, 1 reverse is 1, 1. Then it is a symmetric. Transitive nothing but 1, 2, 2, 1. Then 1, 1 is there. Yes. 1, 1, 1, 2. Then 1, 2 is there. Yes, it is there. Hence it is a symmetric, transitive but not reflexive. It is an example. Next, the relation R on set A 1, 2, 3 is defined as 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3 is not transitive. Why? It is not transitive. Why? I will take a 2 element, that is a 1, 2. Is it in R? Yes. Is it in R? 1, 2. Then 2, 3. Is it in R? Yes. 2, 3. But 1, 3. Is it there? 1, 3 is not there. It does not belong to R. Hence what we can say, R is not transitive. Therefore R is not transitive. Okay na? Define binary operation. ನೋಡಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ದಾಗ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ನಾವು ಹಾಗೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು. ಓನ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀರ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆಯೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಬೈನರಿ ಆಪರೇಷನ್? ಎ ಬೈನರಿ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ star on a set A is a function that defined as star from A cross A to A. It is a function from A cross A to A, and we denoted by A cross B. Okay na? This is the definition of binary operation. Next 1 marks question. Let star be the binary operation on n given by A star B is equal to LCM of A and B. Find 20 star 16. It means that 20 star 16 means LCM of 20 and 16. Is it right? What is an LCM of 20, 16? 2 10 ja, 2 8 ja, then 2 5 ja, 2 4 ja. You can't simplify. 2 2 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20, 24 ja 8. The value of binary option 20 star 16 is an 80. Okay, now this is the 1 marks questions. These are the 1 marks question. Now let me move on to the 2 marks questions. This one. These are the 2 marks questions. Show that the sigma function f from R to R given by f of x is equal to, it is an output is an 1. If x is greater than 0, output becomes 0. X is equal to 0, output become minus 1 when x is less than 0. Is neither 1 1 nor onto. We have to show that neither 1 1 nor onto. For first one 1 1. Now I will take a 2 element 2 comma 3 is greater than 1, is it right, and belongs to domain. I am taking a 2 element. Then what is the f of 2 and f of 3? If 2 and 3 both are greater than 0. Greater than 0 means, greater than 0. It means that greater than 0 means what is an output? It is an 1. F of 2, f of 3 both are equal to 1, but 2 is not equal to 3. But 2 is not equal to 3. Therefore, f is not 1 1. Okay. Then same way onto. Onto means what? Range of f is equal to codomain. Then only it is become a onto function. Here range of f is what? Range of f is minus 1 0 minus 1 minus 1 0 1. All the remaining element in the codomain are free. They are not images. It is not equal to codomain of f. Range of f is not equal to codomain of f. Therefore, f is not onto function. Okay, na? It is neither 1 1 nor onto. Okay. Next one is show that the function f from n to n is given by f of x is equal to 2x is 1 1 but not onto. It is a 1 1 but not onto. First one 1 1. I will take a 2 element for all x1 comma x2 where it is an n of domain. Here is such that I will take a 2 element in the domain such that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Then what is the definition of f of x is equal to 2x? Is it right? That is 2x1 is equal to 2x2. Get cancelled, then x1 is equal to x2. Then f of x1 is equal to f of x2. It implies x1 equal to x2. Therefore, f of x is 1 1 function. Is 1 1. Then onto function. We know that any function should be onto means range of f must be is equal to codomain of f. But here the range of onto, is it right? Onto. Range of f of x is what? 2x is there. Definition is that 2x is there. 2x something but even natural number. Remaining odd natural number not a images. Therefore, it is not an onto. Range of f of x is even natural number. Therefore, range of f of x is not equal to codomain of f of x. They are not, both are not equal means what? F of x is not on 2. Okay, this is a 1 1, not on 2. Now let me move on to the 3 marks question. Here, check whether the relation R defined in the set 1 2 3 4 5 6 as R is equal to a comma b, ordered pair a comma b, such that b is equal to a plus 1 is reflexive and symmetric. Okay. First I will write the relation in the roster form. R is equal to, if I giving the input as an 1, a as a 1, what is an output? 2. Same way 2, if I giving 3, 3 means 4, 4 means 5, 5 means 6. I can't give the 6. If I am giving the 6 means what you will get? 7 you will get. 7 is not in the set. That's why we can't give the 6 as an input. This is the roster method. Now, here first one, it is a reflexive or not. First I will check it. Just they are asking reflexive and symmetric. First one, reflexive. Two, element 2, it is in the set. Is it right? Set, I will take this as a A. But 2 comma 2 does not in the relation. Is it right? 2 comma 2. Therefore, R is not reflexive. Next, symmetric. Symmetric. Now I will take a 2 element, 2 comma 3. Is it in R? Yes. 3 comma 4 I will take. Is it in R? Yes. 3 comma 4. Is it in 2 comma 4? Is it in R? 2 comma 4? No, it is not in the R. It is does not belongs to R. Sorry, they are asking the symmetric. It is a transitive. They are asking the symmetric. Now symmetric nothing but 2 comma 3. It is in the R. But 3 comma 2 does not in R. Hence, R is not symmetric. No, R is not symmetric. It is not a reflexive. It is not a symmetric. Next, show that the next question is that show that the relation R in the set 1 2 3 given by R is equal to 1 comma 1 2 comma 2 3 comma 3 1 comma 2 2 comma 3 is reflexive but neither symmetric nor transitive. Neither symmetric nor transitive. Okay. Now here why it is a reflexive? It is a reflexive but neither symmetric nor transitive. First one, reflexive. Here which are the element in the set A? 1 2 3. Then 1 comma 1 2 comma 2 3 comma 3. Then all elements are there. Then 1 comma 1 2 comma 2 3 comma 3. Yes, it is there in the where? It is there in the R. Therefore, for all 1 2 3 is belongs to set A. For all the element it is satisfying. Therefore, R is reflexive. R is reflexive. Then symmetric. Symmetry andre ಏನು? 1 comma 2 it is in the R. Yes, 1 comma 2. Then 2 comma 1 is it there? 2 comma 1 does not belongs to in R. ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ R is not symmetric. Okay. Next, same way for what? For transitive. ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್. ನೋಡಿ ಇದೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. 1, 2 belongs to R, agree. 2, 3 belongs to R, agree. But 1, 3 is it there? ಇದೆನಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. Then does not belongs to R. Therefore it is not a transitive. Therefore R is not transitive. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೋಡಿ ಭಾಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು, ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ ವಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದ 5 marks question. ಲೆಟ್ 5 marks question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ನು 1 ಆನ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವೆದರ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟಿಬಲ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್, ಚೆಕ್ ಇಟ್. ಇನ್ವರ್ಟಿಬಲ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ಇಟ್. 2 marks question, ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅಲ್ಲ ಸಾರಿ, 5 marks question, 2 questions they will ask. Here first one, let set A is a set of real number except 1. Set B is a set of real number except 1. Sorry, it is an except 3. Consider the function f from A to B defined by f of x is equal to x minus 2 by x minus 3 is 1, 1 and onto. Justify your answer. Okay na? First is an 1, 1. I will take in for all x1, x2 belongs to A. I will take all the element for 2 element of a set A ಅಂದರೆ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಹೇಗೆ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ? such that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. ಓಕೆನಾ? x1 f of x ಏನಿದೆ? x1 minus 2 by x1 minus 3. x2 ಹಾಕಿದರೆ x2 minus 2 by x2 minus 3. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ x1 minus 2 into x2 minus 3. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x1 minus 3 into x2 minus 2. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x1 x2 minus 3x1 minus 2x2 plus 6. ಇದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x1 x2 minus 2x1 minus 3x2 plus 6. 6 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, x1 x2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, x1 x2 get ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. minus 3x ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 2x2 ಐತೆ, ಈ minus 3x2 ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3x2 minus 2x2, ಈ minus 3x1 ಆ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 3x1 minus 2x1. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ x2 is equal to x1. ಇದರಿಂದ ಏನು ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು? f of x is 1, 1. Understood? Now on to ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ y ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಕೋಡೊಮೈನಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಬಿ ದೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ x ಇನ್ ವೇರೋ ಇನ್ ಡೊಮೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಆಲ್ ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಎ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಸಚ್ ದಟ್ ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು? ಸಚ್ ದಟ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವೈ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವೈ ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸು? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 3 ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವೈ. ಓಕೆ, now x minus 2 is equal to y into x minus 3y. ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು x minus 2 ಆ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, y x ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ, x minus xy, ಈ minus 2 ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 minus 3y. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ, 1 minus 1 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 minus 3y. x is equal to 2 minus 3y by 1 minus 1. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ನೀವು y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು? ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಬಿ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ 1 ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು y. ಸಾರಿ, how this x means f of 2 minus 3y by 1 minus y. ಇದನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್? ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎನ್ y. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಅನ್ ವಾಟ್? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಅನ್ x. ಓಕೆನಾ? ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ f of x is onto function. Okay na? Then it is a 1 1, it is a 1 2. Okay na? Now next one is a 5 marks question. Very very important this one. Consider a function f from R to R be defined as f of x is equal to 4x plus 3. Show that f is invertible and find inverse of f. ನೋಡಿ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ 2 ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟಿಬಲ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ನಾನು 1 1 ಆನ್ ಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ 1 1 ಆನ್ ಟು ಆದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಬೈಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್. ಬೈಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆದರೆ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟಿಬಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್. ದೆನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಫಾಲೋ ದಿಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಹೇಗೆ 1 1 ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? 1 1 I will take for all x1 comma x2 belongs to R domain. Okay na? ಹೇಗೆ? such that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. ಓಕೆ ನಾ? ಏನಿದೆ f of x ಏನಿದೆ? 4x plus 3 ನಾ? 4x1 plus 3 is equal to 4x2 plus 3. 3 get cancelled. 4x1 is equal to 4x2. Again 4 get cancelled. x1 is equal to x2. ಇದರಿಂದ ಏನು ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನು? f of x is 1 1. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ಏನು? ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ y ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ವೇರ್ ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್. ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್. ಆರ್ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಡೊಮೈನು ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್ ಆರ್ ಇರೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್. ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? Then there exists x belongs to R. ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಇದು ಡೊಮೈನ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು? such that f of x is equal to y. then f of x ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? 4x plus 3 is equal to y. then 4x is equal to y minus 3. then x is equal to y minus 3 by 4. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂತು. ನೋಡೋಣ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದರ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕಾರಣ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನನಗೆ ವೈ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಆ ಥರ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ ಥರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ವೈ ಮೈನಸ್ 3 by 4 ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ವೈ ಮೈನಸ್ 3 by 4. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಇದೆ. 4 4 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. ವೈ ಮೈನಸ್ 3 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವೈ. ಎಸ್, this is an f of y minus 3 by 4. What is the conclusion we can see? F is onto function. Okay na? F is 1 1 onto, what is the conclusion? F is bijective. Is it right? F is bijective. ಯಾವುದೇ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೈಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು? f inverse is exist. f inverse is from where to where? It is from same domain to domain, that is an R to codomain to domain. f inverse. Okay na? What is the f inverse of x is an? That is an this function x minus 3 by 4. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. f inverse y ಆದರೂ ತಗೋ, that is a y minus 3 by 4. This is an f inverse of y. Okay na? These are the very important example. After analyzing all the model papers and preparatory papers of all the district, I got an important questions. Okay na? Thank you so much. Utilize this one. Take a good marks. All the best.